You are viewing before video. Work has already started on the back of the house, but I'm going to get what they're doing now, and then what they replace, and then the finished product. 2x4 that was rotten has been removed from the area where the gutter sheared off during the ice. Let's just go over here in the neighbor's yard and get a peek. It's been removed. And there's what was there. And so here will be the replacement. There's the gutter that was sheared off. There's the piece it chipped out on its way down when the gutter fell in the ice. That'll be replaced. All right. Here's your gutter removed. Back up to the house. It'll be replaced there. It was taken down. Now it'll be replaced. This is the one taken down. On the front of the house, 6-inch gutters are replacing 5-inch. Here are some of the lost property, lost money, trying to get it fixed the first time by somebody who didn't know what they were doing or just cheaply doing it. Here's all the rotten fascia that come down. It's now being replaced. Work going on in the background. Here's gutter that is going back up after it's cleaned when the fascia is removed and replaced by PVC fascia. Of course, that won't be going up. That's part of the trash. This is part of the bad fascia that was brought down. And here's some of the work already. The replacement of the gutters and fascia. Not sure how clear this is coming in. We even getting replacements here on the extension on the back of the house. Work, work, work going on. Love it. And the skills of the gentleman doing the work. Bad fascia. Bad fascia. Some of the gutter cleaning. That's where the gutters will go back up. They're down now for the work. There's a gutter that will go back up. The joints at the top will be sealed up. At the very peak, it'll be sealed up. If you see a crack in the peak right there, that will be sealed as part of the work being done. And some more joints you see that will be sealed up on there. And this eyesore will soon be gone. You see that? That'll soon be gone and replaced. All gutters on the front will be replaced with 6-inch gutters. Replacing what's on there now are the 5-inch. So there you have it, folks. Looking forward to repairs. In a better looking house. Yeah, we're gonna get all that junk down. All this stuff. All the bad is gone. And of course, Mr. Jack is inspecting. Jack's sporting his Duke collar. Go Duke. See his new Duke collar. Duke. The right, Jack. You good boy?